Raider 125 is the one of the most selling TVS bikes. It comes in three variants: single seat, super sport edition, and smart connect. The available color options are blazing blue, fairy yellow, striking red, black panther, iron man, and a big black. 125 has a 125cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that emits up to 11.2 bhp power. Its 780 mm seat height good for both short and tall riders. The plus seat and ergonomic riding position supports long-distance riding. Its fuel tank capacity is 10 liters. Let's check its exhaust. Front and rear tires are of 17 inches and front tire features with disc brake. Raider 125 comes with digital instrument cluster. You can check trip, gears, distance covered, and speed. One of the attractive features of this bike is USB connectivity. You can charge your phone on the go. On-road price of this bike is 1.11 lakh. One of the best bikes under 1.5 lakh segment.